Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra, your subject teacher of maths, and today we have to solve exercise 2.2 that is related from addition. Okay, and today we have to we have to solve some question related to addition and how we can check addition, okay, by reverse addition, and also we have to learn how we can solve addition with with estimating. Okay, also we have learned how we can solve question related to estimating. That means we have to learn estimating sum. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time, and also we have to learn how we can add numbers horizontally. Okay, so let's start. That is, first question is given here. You can see here that fill in the blanks. Okay, that is given 27,493 plus 35,961 gives out 35,961 plus there is blank. Okay, on this blank what will be here? You know that I have told you. Sorry, there is 27,493 and there is 35,961. You know that when two numbers added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, so we can add this number in any order. Okay, their sum will remain the same. So we can say that 27,493 plus 35,961 is equal to 35,961 plus 27,493. Okay, and the next question is the successor of 99,999. You know that the successor of any number, that is the number that just comes after this number, that is called the number that just comes after the number, that is called successor of any number. Okay, as like here we have to write a successor of 99,999. That means we have to find which number comes just after 99,999. Okay, in other words, you can say that if you want to find successor of any number, you have to add 1 to this number. Okay, so when we add 1 to this number, that will be 10,000. Okay, that will be 1 lakh. Okay, that will be 1 lakh. And the next question is, that is 37,005 plus 0. Okay, 37,005 plus 0. You know that when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay, so there will be 37,005. And the next question is 41,052 plus dash is equal to 41,053. We know that when we find successor of any number, we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, and which number is the successor of last number? That means the number that is just after this number is called a successor. That means 41,053 is the successor of 41,052. Okay, so we can say that in 41,052 1 is added. Okay, that is gives out 41,053. So we can say that 41,053 comes just after 41,052. Okay, now come on next question, that is add and check the answer. The second question is add and check the answer. Question number B, add and check the answer. Add and check the answer by reverse addition. Okay, add and check the answer. Listen how we can add and check. The first question is 3,452 plus 4356. 4356. Now we have to add it, and now we have to check it also by reverse addition. Okay, so listen carefully how we can solve it. So firstly we have to add it. 2 6 8 5 5 10 0 1 carry 4 3 7 7 and 1 8 and 3 4 7, that is 7828. Okay, and now we have to check it. How we can check it? Listen carefully. We have to check it by reverse addition. Okay, so listen here. 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 2 and plus 4 3 5 6. Now we have to add it reverse. 2 6 8 and 5 5 10 1 carry 4 3 7 1 8 and 4 3 7, that is called reverse addition. Okay, and we can see here that both answer are same, so we can say that the addition is correct. Okay, and now the next question is, and now let's solve next question, that is 6705 and 2048. Okay, let's solve it. 6705, that is question number 2nd, that is given in your book, and we have to solve it. That is, we know that when we add 5 8 40 1 carry and there is 0 0 4 and 1 carry 5, and that will be 7 plus 0 7 and 6 to 8, that is 8753. Okay, and now we have to check it. When we check it, we have to add it in reverse order. 2048 and plus 6705. Let's add it. When we add, we have to add them from both sides, and both answers should be same. Okay, both sums should be same. So then 5 8 40 3 1 carry 4 1 5 and 7 and 0 7 and 6 to 8, that is 8753. So we can see here that the both sum are same, so we can say that the addition is correct. Okay, and now come on the next question, that is estimate each sum, also find the exact sum. Okay, so just wait, and the next question is estimate each sum, also find the exact sum. Okay, there is question, and that here we have to write numbers rounded off to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000, and here we have to find estimated sum, and here we have to find exact sum. Okay, so listen carefully. Firstly, what we have to do, the question is 56 plus 17. Firstly, we have to round off this number to the nearest 10. Okay, so firstly we have to round off 56. We know that 56 is between 50 and 60, but closer to 60. So 56 is rounded up to, so 56 is rounded up to 60. Okay, so 56 is rounded up to 60, and 72 is between 70 and 80, but closer to 70, so it is rounded up to 70. Okay, and now we have to find estimated sum, that is estimation, and now we have to find estimated sum. So what will be estimated sum? There are 6 tens and there are 7 tens. 6 tens plus 7 tens. 6 plus 7, that is 13. That means 13 tens. 13 tens means 13 tens are 130. So the estimated sum will be 130. And now we have to find exact sum. Exact sum means we have to find sum of 56 and 17. Okay, so let's add it. 6 to 6 and plus 2. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 and now 5 plus 7 12. That is 120. And now the next question is 315 plus 425. Firstly we have to round off up to nearest 100. So firstly we have to round off 315. So 315 is between 300 and 400. So we have to round what closer to 300. So we have to round off up to 300. Okay. And 425 is between, and now we have to round off 425, and 425 is between 400 and 500, but closer to 400, so we have to round off it 400. Okay, and now we have to find estimated sum. There are 300 and there are 400. 3 plus 4 700, and now we have to find exact sum. That 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, and now 2 and 1 3, 3 and 1 carry 4, and the next is 3 plus 4 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 7, that is 740. And now the next is 3892 plus 5380, and now we have to round off up to nearest thousand. So firstly we have to round off 3892, and after that we have to round off 5380. So 3892 is rounded up to nearest thousand, that is between 3000 and 4000, but closer to 4000. So it is rounded up to 4000. Okay, so that is 4000, and plus 5380 is between 5000 and 6000, but closer to 5000. So we have to round off it 5000. Okay, and now the estimated sum will be 4000 plus 5000, that is 4 plus 5 9000, and exact sum will be 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 2 2, and 9 plus 8 17, 1 carry, add 8 plus 3 11 and 1 12, 1 carry, add 3 5 8 1 9, that is 9270. And the next question is add horizontally and find the sum. Listen here, add horizontally and find a sum. That is question number D. Add horizontally and find a sum. Listen here, there are some question. That is, first question is 48 plus 21. First question is 48 plus 21. How we can add horizontally? Listen carefully. Firstly, we know that in 48, 8 is ones and 4 is tens. In 21, 1 is ones and 2 is tens. Firstly, we have to add the ones. That is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay, and now we have to add the tens. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. Okay, so the answer is 69. Question number second is 37 plus 14. 37 plus 14. Firstly, we have to add the ones. 4 plus 7, 11, 1 carry, and now we have to add the tens. 3 1 4 and 1 carry 5. The next question is 15 plus 346. 15 plus 346. Firstly, we have to add the ones. 3, 6, 5, 11, 1 carry, and now we have to add the tens. 4 and 1, 5 and 1 carry 6, and now there is 3. Okay, that is 361. And now you have to solve all the remaining question. Listen carefully your homework. You have to solve all the remaining question of exercise 2.2 in your CW copy. Okay, and you have to also complete your copy up to exercise 2.2. Thank you for supporting me, and now we will meet in next video with new topic. Thank you.